All my dear friends and followers, they are asking for long video, detailed video. I have one question. If I do so, will you really view the full duration? Remember one thing, this kind of painting, it will take 40 minutes to 50 minutes. It's very difficult. Please try to understand. So what I am doing, I am doing this video for you guys. I know it's little bit in detail, but please guys try to understand. In social media, people really don't want to see long videos like that. So we just do struggle with this make video, and they just skip the video. They just make the video in fast forward movement, and that time I feel very bad. I check my average duration is 2 minutes 3 minutes, and I did like 30 minutes video. So please try to understand. Here what I did, I use weight on weight technique for the sky and the horizon bushes also. So I make the paper wet enough to make the cloud fluffy and smooth. The blue is the sky, and the white part of the sky, this is cloud. This is very simple. And also I wet the water surface and I use little bit of blue. That much is okay. There is no difficulties. Now I am going to make some little bit detail in the heart, because it is not so close to the camera. So basically, when some object is very close to the camera, you have to make sure that some details should be there. But in that particular case, no need any detail. Just light and shadow is enough. And here you can see that paper is dry slowly, because I turn off my fan. There is no AC. So, and it's midnight, I am doing the video. So the weather is little cool, and no. Now I add the dark brown for the door and window little bit. Now I am planning to make some board in front of the house. The owner are staying in the house. Actually, the story should be there. So I am using dark brown and little bit blue. Try to avoid black at the beginning of your watercolor journey, because it's very important to make the painting clean and clear, and it should not look dirty. So what black do? Black actually make the painting dirty at the beginning, of course. When you will have experience enough, you can definitely use black. There is no problem. You can challenge the society. Yes, I can use black, but at the beginning of your art journey, please avoid black. So now I am doing the reflection of the tree. This is very easy thing. Just take a transparent color and make some patches according to the object, whatever you create in the horizon or on the land, like the heart I did, like the boats I did. That's very simple. Please don't do strong color. Do not use hard color in the reflection. Otherwise it will spoil your painting totally. So make sure that your color is loose enough, transparent enough. Okay. So, and you can see I'm just adding little bit reflection for the boat. You know what, I make the video little fast till it's crossing 4 minutes 5 minutes. So what I will do, I will make long video, but not now, because I don't think people are really interested to watch the high big length video like 40 minutes or 50-minute video in Facebook. They just want to see it in very short time. So that's why when you will feel that it's really important to me for you to like such kind of long video, you can send me SMS. I'll definitely do long video. I don't have any problem. I really love to share. But when I spend my 40 minutes and I make video editing everything,